It's your tractor. Let's see it. How does it work? Show us how the tractor works on the ground. And what happens when the cars honk near it? Alright, where are your other cars? Let's see what cars you have. Who are they?
Here, Lightning, Guido, Guido, Doc, Flo, Sally, Hicks, Fillmore, and Luigi, Ramone, Sarge, King, and Sheriff.
What does Sheriff like to say? He's in trouble? Heap of trouble. Very neat. There's all your cars. Your new cars, huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cars.
Wow.
10 cars I have.
Uh-huh.
Getting 1 tractor, 1 lightning, 1 mater, 1 Guido, 1 Doc, 1 Flo, 1 Sally, 1 Hicks, 1 Fillmore,
Uh-huh.
1 King, and 1 Sheriff.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You want to have them tip over the tractor?
Mhm.
Let's have them all go tractor tipping. Hey, 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 hey. Are they all laughing now? Mater laughs. He thinks it's funny.
Lightning zoomed away
Why?
because he thought I was Frank.
Oh, are you Frank?
No.
Don't hit your sister. Oh my goodness. Guido tipped over the tractor?
Yeah, because he went.
Now how come Doc's driving away?
Because he's scared of Frank.
Everyone's scared of Frank?
Yeah. Everyone's scared of Frank.
They're all going away to the car.
Because she
Car
was
plan.
chased by me.
Wow. First time Sally's ever been tractor tipping, probably.
You know why I caught her? Sally?
Why?
Because I was trying to chase her.
Aw.
And I caught her.
Oh, Frank caught Sally?
Yeah.
Poor Sally. Oh, Chick Hicks.
You know, Chick Hicks got away.
He got away. Well, he's a fast race car.
He's a fast race car.
Oh no. Frank got caught Fillmore and Sally. Who's next? Who is it? I missed it. Oh! Guido! Oh no! Guido! Luigi got taken. Looks like Ramone made it. Who's left? Uh-oh. These guys are the only guys left. Run, Sarge, run! Run, Sarge, run! Oh, Frank got him.
Now there's two more. King's turn.
Run, King, run! King made it. Here's the last one.
Sheriff.
Sheriff, is he going to make it?
Yeah, he's gonna make it, but he's not.
Oh no, Sheriff has been captured by Frank.
No, there's no more cars.
No more cars. What's Frank going to do with the cars he captured?
Nothing with them.
Oh, okay, that's good.
And they can get out.
Yay, there they are. All right, say see you later.